Hi, I just made a video. This is me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just did a video how to do this 3D looking ring without the extrude tool. And they asked, how could you put a text on there kind of like that? I'm going to redo it, but I'm going to make it smaller. I am going to make a duplicate of that and nudge it over. I'm going to take my duplicate, I'm going to left click, right click. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill in that yellow. I am going to left click, right click. To make that smaller area, I am going to go to Effects and Contour, and I'm going to contour to the inside just one time. Don't know how big this is. That's not enough. Let's go 0.09. That's good. Now I am going to break this contour apart because I just want that center one. And I'm going to go ahead and nudge it to the left so we can see it. And then depending on what word you want, I'm just going to use the word text. Get it pretty big, and you can see how my new one is quite a bit smaller than the old one. I would shrink it down to it's pretty close in size. And in this case, I would use the envelope tool. I would just get it close and grab the envelope tool, which is underneath your drop shadow flyout. I would go ahead and get rid of these two nodes and these two nodes. Then just take that node and put it up top. Take that node and put it on top. See, I can work with my lines now because I've got basically these lines are basically indexing lines and not true lines. Now you could play around with this till you get tired. You could up that a little bit, try to get them right on the lines. And the reason I use indexing lines or this contour line is because, watch this, when I take it over to my new yellow, it's the shape of that, but it's not going to the edges like I did the first one. So this would be more like a life band or something, text, a lot of wordage. I mean, the more, in this case, the more wordage, the better, because it's going to look like it's actually wrapping around with the indexing. Well, let's just do that. Let's put it over here and let's move it over here. Maybe angle it to start with, that you really don't have to do. And then grab the envelope tool, and see, we're going to change it quite a bit. That's why I took away those nodes at first. Because you can grab the outside anyway. You don't need those other nodes. And I'm just using the handles. And if you did that with a lot of wordage, watch it now. It looks like it's going around that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.